Hi guys, today I will be talking about the Rimmel London up to 24-hour wear color precise eyeliner, and this one is in black and it just says bold colors, clean lines, all day wear, and then it just has it in a different language at the bottom. Tells you how many fluid ounces, and then going down to show you guys how the packaging is. It does have this little like grip spot right here, which I love about this eyeliner and why I keep consistently getting it, because it is very easy to hold on to while I am doing my eyeliner opposed to it slipping out of my hand all the time. I love the way it looks. So starting off with this eyeliner, it is just like a regular pencil that you can bring anywhere. It fits in your carry-on. It's not something that you have to debate about bringing. If you are looking for just like a good eyeliner to carry with you, travel with, anything you need to do, this is like something great to bring. It fits in many different places. Also, something else that is cool about this eyeliner, like I mentioned, is the grip. So when I'm doing it, and shout out to all my girls that like have their mouth open while they do their eyeliner, but I tend to, if I was putting my hands on this part, and this is kind of like shiny and slippery, if I was doing my eyeliner with this, it would easily just like slip, and then I would have 2 lines on my eyelid opposed to 1. With this, like, it's easy to grip. I don't have a hard time applying it. It is a very fine eyeliner. It has a fine tip, and I will show you guys that in a minute. But it has a very fine tip. So that's when it says like precise, it really does mean precise. Any like eyeliner look you're looking to achieve, this is definitely an eyeliner that I would use to do that. If I'm looking for a more extravagant wing, I love this one. If I'm looking for a very tight line eyeliner, I love this. Even with just like a simple, like I need just a little line over my eye to like make my eyes pop, this is like my go-to eyeliner. Something else that is really cool about this eyeliner too is how skinny it is. I really love this. So some of my other liquid eyeliners that come in a pencil like this, pencil form, they're thicker, and which isn't bad, but I love how skinny this is. Like, this is just something that I'm just like, I love this. It's like something that I can carry with me, like I said before, and something that like I never have a problem with. I am going to show you guys what the tip looks, and then also I'm going to draw a line on this white box just to demonstrate what the line is, or how it like works, and draw a line on here just to show you guys how precise it is. So and I have had this one for a while. I have recently bought a new one, but I haven't opened it yet. Just because when it comes to eyeliners, I really like to get the full usage out of them. So, and this is one of the shakeable ones, so you can keep shaking and it'll come out. But as you guys can see, the tip, very fine. I do apologize guys, because it is not coming out usually how it would, and like I said before, this is like one of the older ones that I've had, but the tip is so fine. Like, literally any eyeliner look you're looking to achieve, this is the one. I personally do love the fact, also, like I mentioned before, just the grip. So as I was writing, that's how I would like put my eyeliner on. So I would go like this way, and I don't know if you guys can see, but even looking at it around this way, like this part of it, I really do love that part too. And then also, guys, something that's really cool about this one is just look at the packaging of it, where it's like precise and the P like kind of follows, and it kind of has like that precise line. But I really do love this. I just want to see if it'll... So as I mentioned all the pros to this, there is a con. I don't know if you guys can tell, but as I am like going over with the line, you see how very like floppy it is? Okay, so when you first get this eyeliner, it's gonna be very like stiff and hard, and I personally, I don't know about anybody else, but I love my eyeliners like that because I feel like when they're like kind of harder and the tip is like a little bit more firm, that's when you really get your achieved eyeliner look. But once you've had this for a while, the tip becomes less firm, and the eyeliner looks you're looking to achieve become less achievable just because of how flimsy it is once you've had it for a while. And I just honestly, like, overall it's a very good eyeliner like I mentioned before, and I'll always go back to this one, but it's just the flimsiness of it sometimes catches me off of guard. But I would definitely suggest this.